your baby giggle? Is she funny? Can you make your baby giggle? Oh, you're going to give her hugs. That's nice, too. Now make her giggle. Here, I'll help you. You don't need a binky. Nope, nope, that's for bedtime. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, now you just throw her on the floor. Oh, that's good. Good hugs.